Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled The Rise of Generative AI. AI that creates and imagines. Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting fields in technology. Generative AI. Forget what you thought AI could do. This isn't just about computers recognizing faces or recommending movies. Generative AI is about computers creating new things. From stunning images and realistic text to even entirely new lines of code. It's like giving a computer a blank canvas and teaching it to paint. Or a keyboard and teaching it to write a story. As developers, this opens up a whole new universe of possibilities for building applications that are not just smart, but truly creative. Before we talk about creating, let's briefly look at what AI traditionally did. Most AI you've encountered until recently falls under discriminative AI. Think of it as a super smart, know-it-all. You train it with lots of data to answer specific questions or make classifications. For example, is this a cat or a dog? Single quote. Image classification. Is this email spam? Single quote. Text classification. Or, what's the best route? Single quote. Prediction. As a developer, you'd feed it data, and it would give you an answer. A label, or a prediction. It was about identifying or discriminating between existing things. Now, here's where generative AI makes its grand entrance. Instead of just telling you if an image is a cat, a generative AI can draw a brand new cat that has never existed before. It's the leap from being a brilliant critic or classifier to becoming a brilliant artist or author. While discriminative AI classifies, e.g., this is a cat, generative AI generates. E.g., here's a picture of a cat playing a tiny piano on the moon. For developers, this means you're no longer just processing existing information. You're creating it. Imagine your applications being able to write their own content, design their own interfaces, or even suggest their own code. So, how does a machine learn to be creative? Think of generative AI as an aspiring artist who attends art school. This art school consists of a massive library of existing art. The training data, millions of paintings, photos, books, pieces of music, or lines of code. The AI studies these examples, not by memorizing each one, but by learning the underlying patterns, structures, and styles. It learns what makes a cat look like a cat, what makes a sentence grammatically correct, or what makes a piece of code functional. Once it understands these rules of creation, it can then combine and apply them in novel ways to produce something entirely new, yet coherent. As a developer, you're essentially providing the art school and the curriculum, then telling the student, now, go create something new. Single quote. Just like artists use different mediums, there are various types of generative AI, each specializing in different creative tasks. The most famous ones you'll hear about are 1. Large language models, LLMs. These specialize in text. Think ChatGPT. They've read an unimaginable amount of text and can generate human-like stories, articles, code, or answer questions. 2. Diffusion models. Great for images. These models learn to generate images by essentially starting with noise and gradually denoising it into a coherent image based on a text prompt. Like a cat playing piano. Think Midjourney or DALL-E. 3. Generative adversarial networks. GANs. Another image-focused technique where two AI networks compete. One generates images, and the other tries to spot fakes, leading to incredibly realistic results. As a developer, your choice of tool depends on what you want to generate: text, images, audio, or something else. The practical applications for developers are immense. Imagine these scenarios. Coding assistant. Generate boilerplate code, suggest functions, refactor code, or even write entire scripts from a plain language description. Content creation. Automatically generate blog posts, marketing copy, product descriptions, or social media updates for your applications. Design and art. Create unique images for websites. Generate UI elements, or conceptualize new logos and branding. Data augmentation. Create synthetic data to train other AI models when real data is scarce. Personalization. Generate personalized messages, recommendations, or even user interfaces dynamically. As a developer, generative AI acts as a powerful API, ready to infuse creativity and dynamic content into your software. The best part? You don't need to be an AI expert to start using generative AI. Many powerful models are accessible through simple APIs. Think of it like using a web service. You send a request, a prompt, and the AI sends back a generated response. Your next steps as a developer. 1. Explore APIs. Start with platforms like OpenAI's API, for LLMs like GPT, or Google AI Studio. For models like Gemini, they offer straightforward ways to send text prompts and receive generated text or images. 2. Experiment with prompts. Learning to prompt engineer, crafting effective instructions for the AI, is a key skill. 3. Integrate. Use your existing programming skills, Python, JavaScript, etc., to call these APIs and integrate generative capabilities into your own applications, websites, or tools. You're leveraging state-of-the-art AI with just a few lines of code. Generative AI is not just a passing trend. It's a fundamental shift in how we interact with technology and create. It empowers developers to build applications that are more dynamic, personalized, and imaginative than ever before. As this field evolves, new challenges and opportunities will emerge. From ethical considerations in content generation to designing novel user experiences. As developers, you are at the forefront of shaping this future, building the tools and applications that will define the next generation of creative technology. Get ready to build, imagine, and innovate. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.